Greetings and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to split PDF pages by barcode using PDF.co and Zapier. For a more comprehensive guide, check out the link to the full tutorial provided in the description box below. For additional information, be sure to visit PDF.co. For this demonstration, we have prepared a sample PDF file with multiple pages that features a QR code barcode. We will be using PDF.co to split the PDF pages by barcode. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create Zap button. The next step is to search and select the Google Drive app. You can also use a different cloud storage service depending on where you have stored the source PDF file. And choose the New File and Folder option to trigger when there's a new file added in a folder. Now, let's connect your Google Drive account to Zapier. This will allow Zapier to access your Google Drive files and folders. Let's set up the trigger. In the Drive field, select My Google Drive. In the Folder field, enter the specific folder where your file is located. After setting up the trigger, let's test it to fetch the file from your Google Drive folder. Now that the trigger has been set up and tested successfully, you can proceed to the next step and add another app to split the PDF pages by barcode. In this step, we will be adding the PDF.co app to Zapier. And select the Custom API Call option to utilize the PDF split by barcode endpoint. Now, let's connect your PDF.co account to Zapier by adding the API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Let's set up the PDF.co configuration. First, input the split PDF pages by barcode endpoint. Next, choose the Web Content Link option from Google Drive. Then input the JSON code containing the parameters such as the search string, exclude key pages, regex search, case-sensitive, inline, output file name, and async. We have included a link to a sample JSON code in the description box below for your reference. Once you have completed the configuration setup, simply click on the Test Action button to initiate the PDF splitting process based on the barcode. The test has been successfully completed and the PDF pages have been split based on the barcode. To view the split files, please copy the URLs and paste them into your browser. Here are the PDF pages that were successfully split based on the barcode and have been saved as multiple files. We have a wide range of tutorials available on our PDF.co website that you can explore. You may visit our YouTube channel where we regularly post informative videos. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching.